What's up, my people, and welcome to the SN95 Power Channel. Today we have a unboxing of a Circle D torque converter. Now, I went with a Circle D for a couple of reasons. With my 4R70W right now, I have a 10-inch Roadrunner converter, single disc economy converter. Just not a good match for my setup. The way my tune is, the converter pretty much locks as soon as it leaves first gear. And so that's one issue. And, with the converter locking pretty much, probably 80% of the time when I'm driving and me, beating on it consistently, it just starts slipping too much. And, to be honest with you, it was a economy converter. I think my expectations of it was higher than realistically it should have been. So I had to step up to this. This is a billet triple disc converter. From what I read, the clutch materials for the lockup on this are a lot better. It should handle me, consistently having this thing locked and beating on it. And last time I went to the track with the Roadrunner, I was able to cut like a 1.97 60 foot with that converter. That's me launching it a bunch of different ways, foot flashing, once I got to like 2400 RPM, 2500 RPM, I would start rolling out of the box. So wasn't able to build any boost off the line. So needless to say, I was disappointed with that, and I had to make a decision. And just going from reviews and just research, I decided to give Circle D a try. So this is I believe a 35 to 3800 billet triple disc converter. Same style as the Roadrunner, so I'm curious. I think my Roadrunner would flash around 4,000 RPM. So, but like I said, as far as foot braking, it would kind of roll out at around 2,500 RPM. So I'm kind of curious to see how this will change the habit of the car. So enough talking. Let me open this box. Packaging looks good. Got some thread lock, some new flex plate bolts. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, some red Loctite. It's good. Nice Circle D pin. Everybody needs a cup holder. Invoice, y'all can't take a look at that. All right, so let's get to this. All right, sorry about that. Camera went dead. So first thoughts on this. Very nice looking piece. The shipping was excellent. Lots of nice foam in here. Nice heavy box. This thing looks beautiful. It's nice billet. I don't know if that's called the pump on this side or the front plate. Shout out Beefcake Racing Performance. So this has the dual pattern on here. Got a build date. Ford multi-disc. All right, very nice. So, like I said, I can't wait to see the difference between this and the Road Runner. I'm sure it should be a night and day difference between the two. Let's very quickly. So yeah, it should be a 9-day difference between the two. I still have to drop the trans, still have to do the intermediate clutches, and after that, it's not much I can do because it's wintertime here. You know, I envy you guys who have the warm climate year-round where you can go to the track whenever you want to. But being in the Midwest, I'm at winter's mercy. So if you have a Circle D converter, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it. If you have another brand and you think it's better than a Circle D, please leave a comment about that. If you have a Road Runner converter and it's doing good for you, let me know. Like I said, I'm not knocking Road Runner converter. It's basically an economy converter, you know, and at the time, it was something I thought I can get away with. But stepping up to this, I shouldn't have to worry about another torque converter for the life of this car. So I appreciate your time. Be sure to stop by my Instagram page. Check out the write-ups I'm doing on some of your favorite SN95s and plus some SN95s that you might not be familiar with. If you want your car featured on my Instagram page, send me a message and give me a little detail about your setup. I want to put everybody SN95 out here. I'm not, you know, this page isn't about who has the best or the nicest SN95s out there. I'm putting everybody's SN95 out there. So hit me up on that, and appreciate your time. Like the channel, go ahead and subscribe. You're trying to get ready for Ponies in the Smokies, so hopefully I'll get a chance to meet some of you wonderful people, and God bless.